Dear students, the next topic is distance. Distance is defined as the length of the actual path traced by moving body is called the distance traveled by the body. It means if any object is moving, then you will measure the total length traced by or traveled by the moving body. That the length is known as total length is known as distance. Okay, so let's take an example. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Which is the origin point or initial position of the moving body. Let that body is moving along x-axis for 3 meter and turn left and goes along y-axis for 4 meter. Okay, then if you have to find the total length traveled by the body, that is known as distance is equal to OA plus AB. This is the OA plus AB. 3 meter plus 4 meter equal to 7 meter. This is the distance, and O is the initial position, B is the final position. There is a shortage distance. It is a shortage distance between point O, that is initial position, and B, that is final position. This is the shortage distance between the point O and B. It is known as displacement. What? Displacement. It means this is the triangle OAB. By applying Pythagoras theorem, OB is equal to OB the hypotenuse. If this is the angle, OB is the hypotenuse, OA is the base, and AB is the altitude, then OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Then OB square equal to OA square plus AB square, and OB square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. OB equal to under root 3. Under root 3 ka square means 9, and 4 ka square means 16. And under root 9 plus 16 equal to 25, that is 5 meter. 5 meter is actual displacement. What? Displacement. Okay, so OB is the shortest distance, that is known as displacement. So displacement is defined as the shortest distance between initial position and final position is known as displacement. Okay, or you can say the distance having a particular direction is known as displacement. It means displacement is a distance but having a particular direction. It means किसी न किसी डायरेक्शन के लॉन्ग होगा, वो डेफिनेट होगा. ओके, जैसे यहाँ पे द प्रीवियस, इफ यू टेक द प्रीवियस figure, then O is the initial position, B is the final. So the shortest distance between O and B is the 5 meter. So 5 meter is the displacement. Okay, and the direction is along northeast. This is the east, this is the north. So northeast, this is the northeast, along northeast. Let take an example. Let an object starts moving along circular path. This is the circular path, and this is the point A, this is the point B. Let us consider the point starts motion from a position A to B and complete one cycle. So if R is a radius and there is a condition, if initial position is A and final position is B, it means if initial position is A and final position is B, it means this is initial and final, and the distance traveled by the moving object, the half of the total circumference of the circle. It means total circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. What? 2 pi r, and half means half of the 2 pi r, that is the pi r. This is the AB curve, the length of the AB curve is equal to pi r. So if the initial position and final position is A and B, then distance is equal to 2 pi r by 2 is equal to pi r, and the displacement is equal to shortest distance plus shortest distance between A and B, and AC plus CB, AC plus CB, AC plus CB इक्वल टू AB, और AB मीन्स यहाँ पे अगर ये वैल्यू और है, AB और है, R प्लस R कितना हो जाएगा 2R, तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना हो गया 2R. ओके. The other case is if initial position and final position both are A, it means this object starts moving from point A and complete one revolution and reach at again point A. Okay. In this case, the distance traveled by the moving object will be equal to circumference of the circle. It means total circumference of the circle. It means 2 pi r, as you know in the mathematics. If any circle of radius r, then the circumference of the circle is given by 2 pi r, and half of the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r by 2, that is pi r. Okay. So distance is equal to circumference of the circular path 2 pi r, and displacement will be 0 pi, because when the object moving starts from the point A and reach to the point again A, then the initial and final position both are the same. In this case, if this is the point and this is the same point, there is no distance, there is no shortest distance between the same point, so distance is equal to displacement equal to 0. So displacement will be equal to 0. Clearly, if this object moves many rounds, for example, for one complete round, distance traveled by the object 2 pi r. For 2 complete round, 2 into 2 pi r, it means 4 pi r. For 3 complete round, 3 into 2 pi r, yani 6 pi r. It means the number of the total length is equal to n is equal to 2 pi r, where n is equal to number of turns or number of round, complete circle, complete round, then 1 2 3. Okay. So you can think, you can remember that n into 2 pi r, where n is the number of complete round. Okay. Then so the displacement equal to 0. Take different points and practice on them. It means you have to take different points on the circular path, and you have to do some extra work exercise in this term. It means circular path. Okay. And you can study like this figure. For example, the object is moving along this and this and this and this, then this is the shortest distance, initial position, final position. Okay. It means this is your homework which we have to do. Okay. This is the homework. Differentiate the term distance and displacement on the basis of different points of view. It means you have to do some work about distance and displacement. You have to differentiate the distance and displacement on the different basis. And next topic is uniform motion. This is the very simple but very important terms, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. We will discuss this term in the next video. Thank you.